Do you ever wonder what happened to Hertz and Tesla when Hertz made big splash in 2021 announcing huge order of Teslas? You remember that, right? It seemed like a perfect marriage, a rental car giant embracing tens of thousands of electric vehicles from Tesla and other electric vehicle producers. Well, all were very excited, but for many renters, the dream quickly turned into a frustration reality. The problem was charging. I read in many places and couldn't find one single place on Hertz website where I could find Hertz putting its own chargers for the Teslas and electric cars. In fact, on its website, Hertz repeatedly points to charging options nearby and educates Tesla renters and electric car renters which type of chargers they use for different speed. So I think Hertz screwed up. They didn't bother putting charging stations in their lots, renting an electric vehicle car and then having to immediately have to go take it someplace to recharge for 45 minutes made it a bad experience. And therefore, it's like you're renting an electric vehicle and then you are in a hurry, you have plans to do, you are a business person or you have a trip coming up, but you have to go and wait 45 minutes to charge it. But Hertz should have put their own chargers on its lots, and those cars should have been ready, and probably you shouldn't have required people to bring it back fully charged. They probably did not require that, but this charging issue is the reason things screwed up with Tesla. Agree with this? I read this comment and I wanted to talk about this. So when we identify the problem, we can see what we can do to make the experience better, and maybe Hertz at some point can give Tesla or electric vehicles a second chance, or other rental companies can take this into consideration. And if they're going to buy lots of electric cars, and they may have to because the industry is shifting, electric cars are going to be future, so rental car companies put some real nice amount of chargers in your lots, and specifically fast chargers, so you have your cars ready when people come and rent them, electric cars or Tesla. This is Armin Haryan from TalkNews.com. Let me know your thoughts. Let's talk about this, friends, in the comment section below. And if you like this report, give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to this channel here and also visit us at TalkNews.com for daily automotive news. See you soon in our next report.